y'all, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, I'm Janisha, but you can call me Nisha like everyone else does. If you're returning, hey girl, hey, thanks for coming back to see me. Now today's video is a luxury unboxing. You guys know I'm getting more into luxury things, and today we have an unboxing. This item was purchased for my birthday, so it was like a birthday gift to myself, and also for my boyfriend because he did put in on it. But I wanted to share with you guys what the item is. Okay, you guys, so I ordered this item from Nordstrom, and this is how it came. It just has like the what the item is. Also, I believe the date on it. No, just what the item is, if you guys can see. So, and my birthday was March 25th, so you guys, I haven't worn this bag. It's just been I've been waiting to film this video. It's just been so much going on, like when I went on my trip for my birthday, and you know, just settling in and buying so much stuff. So when I get the bag, when I open the box, it comes with your packing slip, of course, and also this little note from Nordstrom that just says, and if you guys hear the fan in the back, it's just because it's circulating, because it gets really hot in here. It says, "We hope you love it. Thanks for shopping with us. Your new designer purchase is amazing. If you need to exchange or return it, please make sure it's in its original condition with all packaging and any tags still attached, of course." And then my packing slip just says what the item is. So you guys can see it is a Saint Laurent item. The downfall is, I believe, just like not getting original box, Saint Laurent box, but perfectly fine because I got a steal on this bag. And it comes with the Saint Laurent dust bag, of course, which is really always the thing with Nordstrom. And it came with this tissue paper in there. And yeah, this is the item that we ordered. This is the Saint Laurent. This is the Saint Laurent small Loulou shoulder bag, and this color is 3045 New Vert. I tried looking the color up. As you guys can see, it's like a dark olive cream with the gold hardware. I tried looking up this color on Saint Laurent, but I couldn't find it on the actual website. And I've seen one on Farfetch and a couple of other places, I believe Saks Fifth. So I'll, of course, will leave the links down below. So let's do a little backstory about this bag. I was looking on saksfifth.com, and I follow she's like a personal shopper, but through her links, she doesn't go out and shop for anybody, I believe. Someone that I follow on Instagram was posting like different deals and stuff, so I was like, let me go look myself. And then I go on Instagram and I, you know, go to Saks Fifth, and I'm seeing there have like I'm seeing that they're having up to $450 on select items, and usually that includes Saint Laurent items, which is always a good thing, because Saint Laurent, you can always find a deal. So I would advise you not to pay regular price if you don't need to. So I'm looking on the website. I'm seeing that this item is like, I don't know if it was marked wrong or anything like that, but I seen this bag, and I'll leave like clips and stuff on the screen. I seen this bag, and it has said $1,950. It was crossed out, and it was $975, right? And then I think I have a video as well. Yeah, I'll insert a video. You know, I'm swiping, and this bag is steady like on the screen. And it was saying small Loulou Metalise shoulder bag. Now I know they have different names and stuff, but if it's like the picture and you know, usually the same name, they will accommodate you most likely. So I'll go to Nordstrom. We're already at Nordstrom while I'm looking on the website, because we was already there. And I'm like telling this Nordstrom associate, like, hey, do you think you're able to order this bag for me? And I'm showing him the item and how it's looking, and he's like, let me, double check. Long story short, he ordered the bag for me. This bag might have had like a price increase, because on Nordstrom it's $2,050, and on Saks Fifth it was still ringing up as $1,950. So I believe Saint Laurent might have had a price increase for this bag, but I was able to get this bag for $975, of course with the tax $1,000. But I feel like that's still a good steal, because this is a $2,000 bag, and I would definitely not pay $2,000 for this bag, okay? But it comes in this gold, beautiful hardware, you guys. I don't have to tell you guys how I feel about gold. You guys already know. And it came with the plastic, and it's just so pretty. This is the small one. When I seen like different videos, I haven't seen this color as of yet. The medium, I feel like it's a little too big for me, but I'm into like tote bags and small bags. But I feel like this in a medium would just not like be practical every day for me, like especially when I'm going out, because I can definitely go out with this. Now I've seen like the toy Loulou. I feel like that's a little bit too small, too constructed for me. But this beauty, I got it for, like cheaper than a toy Loulou. She is so pretty. So when I open her up, and this is the tag from Nordstrom, and when I open her up, she has Saint Laurent Paris in the back right here. And I'm gonna take the tissue out. A bunch of tissue, you guys know. And I'm pretty sure, of course, this was a bag from the back, brand new. It comes with your Saint Laurent card. Okay, so this bag actually has 3 compartments. You have your front pocket, you have a back pocket, you have like a little mini pocket in the back actually, and then a zipper in the middle. Okay, and then on the zipper it has Saint Laurent Paris. Let's go ahead and take this tissue. Go ahead and took the tissue off the bag, and just look at these chains. Look at the hardware on there, so beautiful. And I'm able to wear this shoulder as a shoulder bag, or I am able to wear it as a crossbody bag, which I definitely love. I'm not just limited to wearing one way. And it does have Saint Laurent here. This bag is just so pretty. She does not have feet, so I've been looking into getting feet for my bags. She's just a really beautiful color. Let me do a little information about the bag. So according to Saint Laurent, the bag is 100% calfskin leather. The dimensions I will leave on the screen. It has bronze toned metal hardware, magnetic snap closure, interior 2 main compartments separated by a zip pouch and 1 flat pocket. Shoulder strap, also a folded shoulder strap, and of course made in Italy. So this is a snap closure right there. I will say still pretty squishy, but I feel like she will still have her shape to her. This is how the side looks. This is how the bottom looks. So let's do like a look what your mind's imagination can do. Making shit true. Yeah, you do, baby. So let me take away your pain. Give me all of your emotions. Land it like a plane on my back if you can't hold it. Life is but a dream that you manifested slowly. So fuck As you guys can see, when she when I wear her as a crossbody bag, she falls right on my hip, which is perfectly good for me. I'm really in love with this bag, and I'm just so happy that I was able to give me another designer bag added to the collection, and especially for the price that I paid, you guys. Like, come on now, cannot beat that. So I'm just super in love with this color. Really just waiting to get some inspo on how I want to style her. She's super cute, you guys. So if you have any recommendations on like not scuffing, or how do you guys clean your bags, because I'm ready to wear her and I don't want to have no restrictions on wearing my new baby. Also, a couple of people were asking me, do I name my bags? In my last my Coach unboxing, if you haven't seen that, I did go ahead and purchase the Coach shoulder tabby bag, pillow bag, and someone asked me, do I name my bags? I really don't name my bags, but maybe I should start naming them. Do you guys name your bags? Let me know down in the comment section, and hopefully I explained and unboxed this video well enough, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys soon, and thanks for continuing to support me. Bye.